This is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can increase the camera photo resolution on this device. So in order to do that, you will need to tap at the options button over here, then go for the picture size, and set the maximum resolution that you would like to have. Respective to the aspect ratio, of course. So the maximum, resolution-wise, the maximum value that we can achieve is at the 4:3 aspect ratio, and as you can see, it also adds this Ultra HD thing. So picture size, and here it is. Now the photos that you will take will have a pretty big resolution as well as improved quality. More details will be saved and in the improved quality as well, but it comes at the expense of storage space that those photos will occupy. So if you have sufficient memory or sufficient storage left, you can just go ahead and enable this Ultra HD mode. As you can see, it is named. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.